Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. How are you? I hope you all are fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you go through the video? Students?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, I see very few are going through my videos. Please go through it. All the explanation will be there when I'm putting it. So if
Okay,
you're
ma'am.
not watching, you will miss the explanation. One, three, four. Okay. Prinsiraj, Himanshu, Avesh, Anmol, Anushka Chaudhary, Pragya. Okay. Any more? Please tell me your name if you are there. I'm beginning the class now. Beginning the
Ma'am,
class
Nancy.
now.
Ma'am Priya.
Priya, okay, I've written your name. Pragya, I have written.
Ma'am, Nancy.
Who?
Ma'am, Nancy.
Rakshit.
Ma'am Rehan.
Vihan. I have
Yes,
Vihan
ma'am.
with me. I have Nancy with me. I'm writing out the names.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayal Malik. Aman Prakash. Okay, we are beginning the class, and as I have the names that I have taken. The others need to tell me. I will see here.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I'm sure you're ready for today's class.
Good morning,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, some more are entering the class. Okay, where did we leave last? I told you to, did I tell you to write the summary? Huh? The portion that we covered, did I tell you to write the summary? Yes or no? No answer. What happened? Are you able to hear me? Are you able to hear me? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You were supposed to write a summary. Did you write?
No, ma'am.
Please
No,
do
ma'am.
it.
No, ma'am.
Please do it today and send it to me today itself. Okay. Just write one
Okay,
or
ma'am.
two paragraphs. we begin. I'm trying to revise the previous one. We see Act 2, Act 1, Scene 2. We see the conversation between Prospero and Miranda, and Miranda has been comforted by the father that no harm has been done to the mariners, that we saw them in Act 1, Scene 1. Remember the scene there, the tempest? So here we notice here, after comforting Miranda and telling her not to worry, that none of them are damaged or they are not hurt, they're not injured. So here then he begins to tell her the story of his past life. So we left here on page 60, line 65. Remember? Now he began to tell Miranda the kind of brother he had. Who is his brother? Who is
Antonio.
Antonio,
Antonio? Okay. Who is the uncle of
Duke of
Miranda?
Milan.
Uncle of Miranda.
Antonio,
Okay. And uncle of
Antonio.
Ferdinand. Uncle of Ferdinand. Forgot? Who is uncle of Ferdinand?
Sebastian.
Yes. Okay. And who is the counselor?
Gonzalo.
Gonzalo,
Who are the two kings?
Alonso,
Alonso, King of Naples. Antonio, Duke of Milan.
Okay, good. Then who are the two brothers?
Antonio and Prospero.
Okay, Antonio, brother of Prospero, and one more brother.
Sebastian
Alonso,
and
brother of Sebastian.
Okay, Sebastian, brother of Alonso. Okay, so we have the relation here. Let's not forget the relation here. So we continue here, page after 65. I'm sure all of you have the text with you. So I'm continuing from your both my girl, by foul play, as thou sayest, were we heaved thence, but blessedly hauled hither. Now here he is trying to say it was good as well as bad. Bad in the sense that they had to travel in a rotten boat, even where the mouse will run off, rats will run off. Seeing the rat, the kind of boat they were to put in and traveling in the open sea, that was bad. Good that he came here on the island so that he can get revenge from, it's a sweet revenge. He, in fact, at the end, we will see him, he will forgive all his enemies. So here, it is good for him that through his magical charm, he is making them to realize the folly that they had done to Prospero. So here it is good as well as bad for both. Now we continue from today's portion, line 66 onward. Miranda is the speaker, and please keep your pen or pencil with you to write when I tell you the needed explanation. Oh, my heart bleeds. Now bleeds here means pain. You know, it doesn't have to be blood coming out of your veins. It's something that is from the inner self. You begin to cry. Okay, you begin to show sympathy. Now he says, oh, my heart bleeds. Now her heart is bleeding, feeling sorry for the way father was left in the open sea. So to think of the teen that I have turned you to. Now teen here refers to trouble. Now she says that I have given you a lot of trouble. I was only very young. So when she says that, she's trying to tell her father, I would have been a real problem to you. And for father, I think for parents, children are not a burden. So here we see here, to think of the teen that I have turned you to. I have given you so much trouble all this time, which is from my remembrance. Okay. Now she does not remember anything here. And she says the trouble that she had given to Prospero, she does not remember. And then she says, please you further. Now this means please tell me more. Go further in your story. Continue the story. Hello?
पता नहीं छुट्टी नहीं कर रहे पता नहीं छुट्टी नहीं कर रहे
Who is talking? Okay, please attentive to the class. Any other person who wants to talk to you, you go out and talk. So here it says, my brother and thy uncle. Now this is some same thing. Miranda's uncle is Antonio, and Miranda's Prospero's brother is Antonio. My brother, then I uncle, called Antonio. Now he's telling who is the person. And then he says, I pray thee, mark me. Now, mark me here means keep listening to me, pay attention to me. So here says, my brother and your uncle. Now you listen to the story that I'm going to tell you further. That a brother should be so perfidious. Now he uses the word perfidious, which means very treacherous, very wicked. In a common sense, we can say a wicked brother. And this is why he says, your brother, your uncle, and my brother was made such a treacherous, wicked plan. He whom next thyself. Okay, now he says, next, the first thing he loves most is his daughter, Miranda. And after Miranda, the second person he loves most is his brother, Antonio. So here he says, you were very small, you were 3-year-old. The next person that I loved after you was my brother. Okay. Of all the world I loved, in all the world. Now, this is what he says. And to him, okay, now it is out of his love, out of his trust, that he is giving to his brother Antonio and telling him to look after the kingdom, because he is busy in his magical charms and the study that he is doing it here. So he says, and to him here is Antonio, please write it. Of all the world I loved, he loved him the most after Miranda, and and to him put the manage of my state. Now, state here refers to Milan. Please write it there, state Milan. Now, here, if Prospero is not ruling the kingdom, Antonio has to rule it, because Prospero has given him in charge of his kingdom. So he says, I had given him to manage my state. My state is Milan. As at that time, because that time when Miranda was hardly 3 years old, through all the signories, okay, signories are the kingdom, the affairs of the kingdom that he had given in the hand of his own brother, it was the first, okay. Now, he was the first person to look after my kingdom. I had trusted him to the most. And then Prospero, the prime duke, okay, even though Antonio happens to be substitute ruler of Milan, the prime duke, the main duke, happens to be only Prospero. Now, Prospero has not told him, you are the sole king of Milan. He said, you are only in charge of the kingdom when I'm doing my study. Otherwise, I am the king of Milan. Are you getting it? Are you able
Yes,
to? Okay. So we see here, Kuda, 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 Kuda. Okay. We see him here, and Prospero, the prime duke. Okay, the main duke was Prospero. Antonio was only for substitute king. And he says, being so reputed in dignity. Now, Prospero, he talks about himself. I had the respect in all over the nearby kingdoms. People respected me because of the affairs of the kingdom that I was looking into as the sole Duke of Milan. And for the liberal arts without a parallel. Now, he is trying to put two things together. The liberal arts is his magical charm that he was studying from morning till evening, and affairs of the kingdom that he was looking into. Now, when he was looking into these two things, he was not able to manage both the things together. You know, if you are handling over the kingdom, you have so many things to come in your way. And if you are looking into your magical charms, just your study, you have to spend a lot of time in that studies of magic. magical charms. So here he was not able to justify his two kinds of work as a king of Milan and also as his studies on the magical charms. So here it says, without apparel, there were no comparison between the two. Those being all my study, okay, magical charm, magical study that he was doing is all that he wanted to devote his time to. The government I cast upon my brother. Government here refers to Milan. Are you all writing out? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
The government,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
okay. The government, he says, is Milan. I cast upon my brother. My brother is Antonio. He had given charge of his kingdom to his brother, and he became busy in the affairs of the studies of the magical charm. And to my state grew stranger. My state is Milan. Now he was studying from morning till evening, and night also he would be studying with the magical studies. He would not come out. So naturally, when the people will not see the main duke, that is Prospero, coming out in the and sitting on the throne and managing the affairs of the king, they would he would become stranger to them, and they would see only Antonio, and whatever Antonio would want, they would listen to him. And he would say, my brother king has commanded me to tell you this. And so the people will believe the main king, Prospero, has given them the instruction, so they had to follow. So therefore, Prospero slowly was becoming stranger to his own kingdom of Milan. So, and to my state grew stranger. My state is Milan, being transported and wrapped in social secret studies. Transported, carried away. Okay. He continued, carried away, and wrapped in secret studies. He devoted more time in the magical charms. He would go in the morning to that magic room, that one room that he had specified. Early morning, he will get up and go into the study of the magical charms, and then he will not come out whole day. And definitely, this is what happened, that he had to be becoming a stranger to his own kingdom. Now transported, carried away, wrapped in secret studies, busy in the magical studies of in his room. Thy false uncle is Antonio. Dost thou attend me? Now, do you listen to me? Do you hear me? Attend here means hear. Thy false uncle Antonio, dost thou attend me? Do you hear me? Sir, most heedfully, most attentively, I'm listening very keenly to your story. Even a deaf person will be able to hear your story. Being once perfected how to grant suits. Okay. He had, Antonio now has got used to looking after the affairs of the kingdom of Milan, and he knew whom to favor and whom not to favor. So as he was getting used to the kingdom of Milan, in the absence of his own brother Prospero, he is trying to say, Prospero started taking over my kingdom, and therefore, when we look at here, he says he became perfect. That means he didn't have to ask me anymore. He didn't consult me anything more, and therefore he became perfect. And how to grant suit, how to give the request. If the person are coming they with some request, he would grant them. If he doesn't like a person, he will not grant them. So he says how to grant suits, how to deny them. If some people he didn't like, he would not give them the favor. So here he says who to advance and who to trash for the overtopping. Okay, now who to advance? In the kingdom people have a lot of problems. Maybe they could not pay the tax, so they would come to the king, or we are not able to pay because our harvest or crop is not good. And so he said, okay, fine, you can pay it in the next crop. And so yeah, and if Antonio did not like the other person, he would say no, you will have to pay somehow, get after them and make them more like getting after them. So here it says, who to trash for overtopping his desires. To some he would reject, to some he would expect. He would say, okay, I accept your request. And this is how he started creating new officers in his own kingdom. So when we look at here, he says, new created the creatures that were mine. Okay. He slowly started, Antonio has a kind of thing that he could convince people. And when he was able to convince people, Prospero's officers, he tried to convince them and tell him that Prospero is not the duke, I am the only duke. And some of them, they obeyed Antonio and they went on to his side. And therefore, the people which were Prospero became the trusted people of Antonio. You get me what I'm trying to tell you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. So here, the trusted people of Prospero became the trusted people of Antonio. The ones who really trusted Antonio and they did not want to be, the ones who really trusted Prospero and did not want to listen to Antonio, he cast them away from the kingdom. Okay. He took away their officer rank that they were holding in the kingdom of Milan, and he appointed new officers in their place. So therefore, the people who listened to him became trusted people of Antonio, and the people who did not listen and they trusted Prospero, he chose different officers in their place and put them away as an ordinary man of the kingdom. So this is how he was trying to run the kingdom of Milan. New created the creatures that were mine. All the officers that belonged to me, he made them in his own. I say, or change them. He literally changed those officers. And then he says here further, or say change them, or else new form them, created new ones, appointed new officers, formed them, appointed new officers, having both the key of officer and office. Now here, office is Prospero's office. Officer, all those officers who were trusted, he tried to make them his own. Now by doing this, he was becoming a strong person, bringing out his kingship in the absence of Prospero, and telling the people that Prospero is no more the king of Milan, and you have to abide by what I'm going to say. I am the king of Milan now. So slowly he is picking up the power of Milan. So here he says officer and office. Set all the hearts in the state. All the hearts are all the people, trusted people in the state, Milan. To what tune pleased his ear? Okay, he started having his own ways. To what tune pleased his ear? Sometimes we take advice from the higher authority. Sometimes we feel, why should I take advice from the higher authority? I can do on my own. So like that, Antonio started having his own way in running the kingship of Milan. To what tune pleased his ear, and now he was the ivy which had hid my princely trunk. Okay, have you seen ivy plant? How many of you have seen ivy plant? What is it?
No, ma'am.
What is it?
Ma'am, don't know.
It's a climber.
Ma'am, what?
Ivy plant is a climber. You know what
Climber.
climber is? Climber. CLIMBER. You know what climber is? You see a plant, it grows up and, it takes the support of anything and keeps climbing up higher and higher. Okay. I have
Yes,
bougainvillea is, have you seen? Hello? Do you know, have you seen bougainvillea? How many of you have seen bougainvillea with pink flowers and green leaves? I'm sure you must have seen, but you don't know. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I will send you the picture of the two climbers I have in my home. Okay. Now here, this climber plant takes, you tie a rope to the climber plant, and wherever it will the rope will be going higher and higher. The plant is going to entangle around the rope and climb and take its support by climbing higher, and then it spreads. Okay, that's a climber plant. And when you look at here, it has very thin trunk. Okay, if you look at the climber plant, it does not have a strong trunk, a very thin trunk, and those are the trunk which keeps entangling around the rope or a stick that you tie, and it will keep on moving upward, and then it spreads out whichever direction it finds the support. So that's a climber plant. Now here Prospero is trying to say Prospero is the trunk and Antonio is the climber. Now Antonio is taking the support of Prospero and becoming the Duke of Milan. Are you getting it? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now climber takes a support of a stick or a rope and then climbs and then spreads out. In the same manner, Antonio has become the climber. The trunk is Prospero. The trunk is very thin now and very weak. And Antonio has become very strong and powerful. And he is spreading himself as a king of Milan and telling people, you have to listen to me, abide by the rules that I'm going to put here. Okay, so here it says, now he was the ivy, here is Antonio is the ivy, which had hid my princely trunk of Prospero, you can write there, and sucked my verdure is the powers, taken away all my powers. Okay, he says, sucked my verdure, taken away all my powers as a king, out on it, thou attendest not. Now he's thinking his daughter is not listening. He says, you are not listening. Oh, good sir, I do. And she says, yes, sir, I am listening to you very keenly. I pray thee mark me. Now he says, now you listen to me. And now what I'm going to tell further about my brother. Now listen to me. Pay very keen attention to what I'm going to tell you. I, thus neglecting worldly ends are the affairs of the kingdom, all dedicated to closeness and the battering of my mind. Okay, spent all my time in spending and studying my magical studies. Battering of my mind, studying on my magical books. Okay, and gaining more knowledge. Okay, battering of my mind is gaining all knowledge through magical studies of Prospero. With that which, but by being so retired, now he himself, by getting into the study, has retired himself from the kingly duties of Milan. Okay, being so retired, overprized at all popular rate. Now he was no more popular, he was just busy in his studies. And in my false brother, now he had given everything in the hands of his brother, and he calls him false brother because he cheated him. Awaked an evil nature. Evil nature is the evil plan which Antonio had in the absence of Prospero. While Prospero is busy studying his magical charms, he is planning out our evil plan for Prospero now. And my trust like a good parent. Now he says, I trusted him like a good parent. Antonio and Prospero, it seems they have quite a age gap. So therefore he treated him like his son. And he says he's like a Prospero, like a good parent trusted Antonio. So he says he had evil nature in his mind. I have 10 more minutes. So I can go on. I'll finish this paragraph. Awaked an evil nature, and my trust like a good parent did beget of him. Now he forgot that I treated him like a good parent, and he had evil nature in his mind. A falsehood in his contrary as great as my trust was, which had indeed no limit. Now he had so much faith on him, but Antonio had no trust on Prospero. He proved to be a brother who was false, a brother who would plan evil against his own brother. And therefore, he forgot that Prospero was the main person who had given him the in charge of the kingship of Milan. But he is going against his own brother. A confidence bound confidence sense bound. Okay, there was no doubt about it that Prospero had more confidence on Antonio. He being thus lauded, not only with what my revenue yielded, but what my power might else exact. Okay, now here he says, he became the lord of the kingship of Milan. Not only that, whatever money was coming to my state, my Milan, from the farmers, from the tax, or whatever income was coming from Milan, that all went into the treasury of Antonio. He took care of even the finance along with my office. He says, like one, we move on page 46. Who having into truth by telling of it made such a sinner of his memory. Now here he kept telling Prospero, oh, everything is going fine in the kingdom. Don't worry, I'm taking care of it. People are very happy. And so Prospero trusted him like a good brother. He never questioned him for anything. He says, who having into truth by telling of it. Whenever he would come to Prospero, he would tell the lie as if that's the truth. And so Prospero believed like a good brother. To credit his own lie, okay, to give a credit to his own lie, to tell, to let him know that he's telling the truth, but he was telling a lie to favor himself, wrongly take away the kingdom of Milan from Prospero. He did believe he was indeed the Duke of the substitution. Now, Prospero has only given him the substitute kingship of Milan, not the real kingship of Milan, but he became a real king of Milan now, okay, instead of the substitute kingdom, and executing the outward face of royalty. Now, the face that he has was no more royalty face. No more royalty was shown on his face. When he came to brother, he says, okay, I'm handling over your task. When he came to the people, he will tell them, I am the real Duke of Milan, so you have to obey me. So this is how he was lying to Prospero and telling the people by all means, taking away the kingship from Prospero with all prerogative. Now, all the privileges that he had, he made use of it. Hence, his ambition growing does thou hear. Now, he says his ambition kept growing, ambition of becoming a king of Milan. Now, we remember, we will see further when he tells his story, how he was chased away from the king of Milan with the help of king of Naples, Alonso. And we will also see that Alonso is going to help him because he wants to be the ruler of Milan and Naples. And therefore, if Antonio has to be the king of Milan, he will just be king of Milan, but he will have to pay a sum of some money from his kingdom to the king of Naples on a yearly basis. Then only Alonso is going to help him chase his own brother, Prospero, from the Milan. So this is what we will see further tomorrow in this text. So put your mark here at line 108 or 107. Okay. We will continue from here. Your tale, sir, would cure deafness. Okay. So you can put date also there. And we will have next class on Friday, right? So put your date there. Okay. And please write the summary from scene 2, line 1 to line 105, 107. Write one summary, make at least 2-3 paragraphs, send me the PDF. And if I get the PDF, I will think you are present for the class. If I don't get the PDF, I will say, okay, you are not present for the class, even though I have written attendance for you. So please make sure whatever assignment I'm giving you, make sure you do them immediately. And try and go through this video that I'm going to send on your class group. Okay, so with that, I'm going to say bye because hardly 3-4 minutes are left. Anyone has question? We have another 3 minutes to go.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Any question you have?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, Act 1 scene 2 summary we have to write.
Yes. Send me a
Okay,
PDF, okay? You don't write very
Okay,
big,
ma'am.
write half a page or maybe 1 page. Maybe 3
Yes,
paragraphs,
ma'am.
okay? So
Okay.
write that.
Okay.
Any other person has any question? Ayush, do you have any question?
No, ma'am.
Vihan?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Payal?
No, ma'am.
Any question? Princey Raj?
No, ma'am.
Okay, let me see. Avesh, are you there?
No, ma'am.
Himanshu? I'm calling out, please let me know. Rakshit, you have any question?
No, ma'am.
Anushka?
No, ma'am.
Priya?
No, ma'am.
Anmol?
No, ma'am.
Avnish?
No, ma'am.
Aman? Kashyap Rishi?
Yes, ma'am. I have a question. Ma'am,
Okay,
I
please,
have
please.
missed. Yes, ma'am. I have missed the before class just because I have joined today.
Okay.
So ma'am, could you please tell me what assignment I have to do that have been
You
given in
go
the
on
previous
the,
classes?
okay, you go on the school app. Okay.
Okay.
Check
Yes.
all my videos there on the school app. Or
Okay.
you can even go on the YouTube, Rebecca's Witness. Okay, you know my spelling?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rebecca's Witness, go there on YouTube, you will find my videos there. You go over them. If you have any problem, let me know. And you will get the assignments also there. I will send you some more assignments that I have on my WhatsApp. Okay, so
Okay.
just send me a message after the class. So I will send you on WhatsApp also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, anyone has any more? Asian, you have any questions? Suhail Khan?
No, ma'am.
No,
Suhail,
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
any question on assignment?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Asian, Suhail. Suhail, when did you join class?
I'm today.
You're the first day? So you also have the same
Yes, ma'am.
problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you will go over my videos on Rebecca's Witness or on the school app. Okay, both places you
ma'am.
will find my my videos. And after listening to them, then you tell me if you have any problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so you will get the assignment
you, ma'am.
also there.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
in case
Thank
you
you.
have any other problem, send me WhatsApp message and I will call you and I will attend to it. Sometimes it may be that I will not be able to attend to you immediately. Maybe I may be busy, but I do call all my students, not at the same time. I may call after some time. So you will, if you don't hear from me, don't think madam is not replying. So I will definitely call you, whether I call you after some time or
Okay,
I
ma'am.
call you. Okay. So I will attend to all your
Okay, ma'am.
requests. You have any problem, just let me know. If you don't understand, we will have the class. We will again go over and revise. Okay. So my time
Okay,
is
ma'am.
almost off. Hardly a minute is left with me. Anyone has any other question? No?
No, ma'am.
So I
No,
take
ma'am.